Are you about to pull the 9 on me? Are you about to pull the Glocky on me? I won't call Singam on you. I'll just keep it how it is. You take care.
What is this?
Huh?
Why are you taking video?
Oh, he's not. Oh, he's gay. So that's his preference. It's 2020, 2020, 23. So that's just his preference.
Why video?
No, he's not. He's gay. So like, he's like, are you like homophobic? Is your bitch not gay?
No.
Oh yeah, no. So he's just
So why video?
No, he's not. He's gay.
So
Oh, so you have a problem with him being gay?
no, I don't.
Oh, no problem with him being gay?
I have problem with videos.
Oh, he's not taking a video. He's gay.